How's it going, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Apologies if the lighting isn't as great. I'm just trying a little something different. I've got a different light there just to see how it works. So we're going to be opening these Premier League 2020-21 season packs. So as you can see, they're officially Panini Premier League. So I haven't opened any of these before, so kind of curious to see the card design, or stickers design, should I say. Okay, so I'm going to open the first one up here. Okay, so we get Chris Wood and I think that's Jack Cork from Burnley. We get Joe Willock. We get Rodrigo from Man City. We get an elite Mateus Pereira. It's a nice looking design. And we get Joe Byron. So, not the best one there, but never mind. Okay, so next pack. A little tricky to get open. Okay, so the first one I can see is the Man United kit. Get the Arsenal kit. We get Zinchenko from Manchester City. Get the Arsenal badge. And we get Matt Phillips of West Brom. Okay, pack number 3 now. Okay, so the first one I can see we get a special Jordan Henderson. Kind of a sparkly sort of card. Get Tyron Mings. We get an elite Mo Salah. It's a nice looking card. Nice little gold design. We get Kenneth Zahore. And Victor Lindelof from Manchester United. So we've got about 10 of these to open, so. Okay, first one I can see is Bruno Fernandes of Manchester United. That's a nice one to get. You get Yuri Tillemans of Leicester City, who has just scored the winning goal to win the FA Cup. We get John McGinn of Aston Villa. We get a star signing Adam Lallana. And we get Jeffrey Schlupp of Crystal Palace. Okay, so next pack. Came off a bit easier. Okay, so we get Kiko Casilla of Leeds United. We get Crystal Palace players. We get Martin Dubravka of Newcastle. And we get a special Declan Rice. That's a star player, is it? That's a nice one to get. We get Max Kilman of Wolves. And that's it for that one. Okay, so next pack. Overall, the design of these are quite nice. They're a bit bigger than the Euro 2020 stickers. So we get Kepa Arrizabalaga there. We get 2 Fulham players, Lookman and Agnusa. Another player in Ruben Loftus-Cheek for Fulham. Ryan Fraser as well. And we get Eze from Crystal Palace. We get some kind of white sticker there. I'm not too sure what that is. Is it maybe a stand? If it's going to focus for me. Focus, come on. I'm not too sure what that is. Excuse me. Okay, so on to the next pack now. I'm probably only going to open a few more of these because, look, as I said, the lighting isn't quite good in this video, so I just don't want to be opening too many because, you know, it just doesn't look as good, and I was trying to do something a little different. Okay, so the first one we get is Kyle Bartley of West Brom. We get Jesse Lingard of Manchester United, of course doing absolute bits for West Ham this season. Of course, this is his United card. We get Lucas Moura of Tottenham. We get Mendy of Leicester City. And we get Anthony Martial of Manchester United. That's quite a good pack to get. Got a few decent players there. Okay, so we're just going to open 3 more. Okay, so we get Billy Sharp. I like as well how it says like their Instagram handle at the bottom. James Maddison as well of Leicester City. Excuse me, if that's going to focus. We get a captain, Tom Kearney. We get Edinson Cavani as well of Manchester United, who's done really well for them this season. And we get a Manchester United logo. So that's quite nice. Good few Man United players so far. Okay, so we get Bednarik of Southampton. We got Aymeric Laporte of Manchester City. That's a nice one to get. Nice looking card. Of course, was recently just declared for Spain. So we get Moussa Sissoko, and we get an elite Richarlison. That's a nice looking card as well. I do like the gold design. Also, it actually gives you facts at the back. So, footy fact, Richarlison finished both of his opening 2 Everton seasons as the club's joint top scorer. Okay. So, final one. Okay, so we get Andy Carroll of Newcastle. We get Romeu of Southampton. We get Harry Winks of Spurs. We get Dale Stephens star signing of Burnley. And finally we get Ola Enya from Fulham. Okay, so that's it, guys. There's a few decent players we got here, like Cavani, Maddison, Martial, Lucas, Lingard. A lot of United players. Got Bruno Fernandes in there as well. That elite Mo Salah as well looks quite nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it does help me out quite a lot. So thanks very much for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you in the next video.